Moonlight Nana.
Hello everyone, I'm Moonlight Nana and this is my 41st Medibang Paint Pro tutorial video. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope it can help you start off your first step in your digital art journey. In the previous tutorial video, I've shown you how to save your projects to cloud and how to open the projects from cloud. In this Medibang Paint Pro tutorial, we're gonna explore about the Cloud Saves window. Please remember that we are still under the topic of Medibang Cloud Service, therefore an internet connection is needed for this. If that's clear, then let's start. Here we see the Cloud Saves window, or as it's titled up here, select your artwork from the cloud. This window shows you all the Medibang projects which you have saved on cloud together with its details. Starting from the left is the type of project. Okay, is it illustration, manga, or manga draft? Next, if it's locked or not. We'll get to this soon. Then it's unread status. Have you checked the project or not? Okay, so this one is when you collaborate with other artists or users. Then we have the title of the project for you to identify a project. Then we have the theme in which the project is saved or shared to. The dates and times here shows the recent update the project was edited. It's not the date and time the project was uploaded. Okay. Then we have the updated by. This one is significant when the project is saved on other themes or shared with other artists or users. The file size is straightforward. It shows how big the project size is. The storage usage is different. This one shows how much space has this project taken on the Medibang Cloud space. Please remember that the cloud storage is limited. Each user has a certain limit to how much space they can have and store projects on cloud. If you are a premium Medibang user, then you will have access to more space on cloud. Now let's take a look at the buttons up here. The first one is the refresh button. Click it to refresh the whole window and get the most recent and updated projects into the list here. The total and the number next to it shows how many projects there are currently saved. The arrow buttons is the toggle to move to other pages of this window. Since my projects in this window isn't a lot, there's no need for these arrow buttons to be activated or clicked, but I'm pretty sure you'd understand how to use it without me explaining, okay? Then we have these two buttons. This button is highlighted, this one is highlighted in blue, meaning it is in selection. This button determines how the projects are displayed. Right now, my projects are being displayed in a list form, okay? If I click the button next to this and activate it, then the display will turn into a grid display. So it's up to you how you'd like your projects to be displayed. For me, I prefer the list display because I can see all the details of the projects easily and clearer. Now, take a look at the items down here in this row below. Starting from these all types. This one is to categorize the type of projects in display. Click on it and you'd see that there are three types of projects, namely illustrations, manga, and manga draft. If you want to see only illustration projects, you may select the illustration. If you want to see the manga projects only, you may select the manga, and as you can see here, I don't have manga projects saved on cloud. That's because I prefer to save all my manga and manga drafts on my computer. Besides, manga takes up a lot of storage space on cloud, so I save in terms of that. And the fact that I don't have a group or friends to work on a manga together. So sad. Anyway, this icon with an exclamation mark inside a red circle is to show which of the projects are unread yet. Okay? When you work on projects with other people, they will make changes and edits to the projects. These changes and edits will be updated in all collaborating persons' Medibang Cloud, and thus you'd have the unread notification. So you click by clicking this red circle, it will show you which projects you have yet to check its update. So for me, I couldn't show you how an unread project looks like since the button doesn't apply to me. because I am not collaborating with anybody for any projects. So sad. Okay, moving on. This bar over here is the space for you to type in the title of the project you're searching for. When you have a lot of projects saved on cloud until it's spread to more than one page of this window, then this bar is handy for you. Simply type in the project's title. I'll type in Cloudy Project and then hit enter. Then the project will be displayed quickly without you having to jump from page to page looking for it. But if your saved projects here are like this, so like if your saved projects are as few as mine, then there's no need to use this bar. Okay, so sad. Now the next one is the group for the projects that are saved in. When you click on it, all the names of the group will be shown in the drop-down menu, and clicking any one of those group will display the projects that are associated with only that group. As you can see here, I have only one group, which is the My Cloud Saves group or team, because I am a one-person team and that I have no one else to share projects with. So sad. In another video, I will show you how to add groups and invite others to be in the same group as you to work on a project together. Okay? Now, finally, for this row is the item for you to determine the arrangements of project list. Right now, you see that it is set at updated at descending, meaning in this list, the projects are arranged from the most recent update to the oldest one. So if you change the arrangement option in here, say I pick based on the title ascending, then the list will display the projects as such. You can pick other arrangements, whichever that you like. Okay? So we're done for this row of items. Let's move on to the icons on the right side up here. Now I won't be explaining some of them as they will be covered in the near future. Alright? So first off is this lock icon. This one is for you to lock a project. Select the project you want to lock first and then click on this lock icon to lock it. Now when a project is locked, a lock picture or icon will appear in this box for the lock column project. A lock project cannot be edited, changed or deleted by other users. To unlock it, simply select the project and then click on the lock icon up here again. Then it is unlocked when you don't see the lock here. Next is the duplicate icon or button. Simply put, it is to make another copy of a project. To copy a project, select it like this and then click the duplicate icon. And when you click on it, a pop-up window which is the copy of work window will appear. And if you have anything about the project's detail you want to edit or change, you can do so here. So I'll just type for the title, copy of. When you're satisfied with the changes or no changes at all, you may click OK. Then the project will be duplicated and added into the cloud too, like this. Icons after the duplicate are moved to another team and collaborate with other users. I will not explain about these two icons yet because they both are going to be explained together in the next Medibang Paint Pro tutorial video. Moreover, I don't have other teams and other people to collaborate with to explain these two icons. So sad. But yeah, I'll do my best to explain about these two in the next video. Now for this icon, it is the Open as Material icon. What this does is that it turns the selected project into a reference material while you're working on another project. Let's try it out. So first pick a project. I'll pick this Cloudy and then click on this Open as Material icon. Wait for it to download and then now we have over here will be the project which I selected for Open as Material just now. Okay, then this project is now inside a reference window, so that's just it. All right, now let's return to the My Cloud Saves window. Okay. After the Open as Material icon, we have the Show Details icon, which I'll explain later because this icon is also shown over here, this one. Okay, so I'll get to this in the upcoming tutorial video. The same goes for the Open Versions dialog icon, which is also available here, this one. And also will be explained in upcoming tutorial videos. So we'll skip this first, these two. Then we come to the Post on ArtStreet. Post on ArtStreet icon, which is straightforward and obviously mean to upload the project as a complete work to ArtStreet. If you want to post any projects as a completed work on ArtStreet, select the project, for example this one, and then click on the Post on ArtStreet icon. It will direct you to the same window and process as how I've shown you in Medibang tutorial 33 video. Check out the video if you want to continue discovering how to submit your artwork or projects to ArtStreet, because I am not going to explain it in this video. Then finally is the trash can icon, which obviously means to delete. If you want to delete a project, simply select the project and then click on this remove button. A pop-up window will ask you if you really want to remove and delete the project with a warning. The action cannot be undone. If you're sure, then click OK. The project will be deleted and removed from the list of Cloud Saves. So there you have it, the Cloud Saves window. I've explained to you most of the icons, buttons, and items in this window. For the few that I didn't explain fully in this tutorial video, they will be covered in upcoming Medibang Paint Pro tutorial videos. Next one should be about making a team or group and collaborating with other users, which I don't have. So sad. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial video of Medibang Paint Pro. Please like this video and subscribe to Moonlight Nana channel.